Hello, welcome back. In this video, we want to teach us how we can merge videos together, remove the initial sound, and apply our sound to it, and reduce the time frame. Then, if you want to do that, you come to New, then you click on the video at the top. Let's example, I want to use this coding video class. Then let me just pick like 2 or 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then apply it to it. So this is my class. Then I want to be removing it one after the other. I want to use like 5 seconds here. Then I'll go back to split. I remove this place. Delete. I'll delete the upper one. Then I'll go to the second one. So I want to join you with this. Then I can split it. Split. Remove this first one. Delete. Then make this one. Adjust it a little bit. I want to adjust it a little bit. Then split. Split. Delete this one also. So this is the third one. Then just split it. Split. Delete this one. Okay, and this is the last one. Split. Let me just delete. 1, 2, 3, 4, and the last one. Let me split this and delete. Okay, this is my 5 video. Let me check it out. Hello, welcome back. So in this class, we want to use anchor tag or hyperlink. So we want to discuss. Hello, welcome back. In this class, we'll be discussing about blog. Hello, welcome back. So in this class, I want to teach us on how to. So let me just. This one is very long. Let me split it. Let me. Hello, welcome back. So in this class, so what I wanted to be doing, I think this one is okay like this. Let me delete this one. It's okay. What I wanted to do in this video is that I want to reduce the sound. I want to reduce the sound of each video. Then if I click here, I'll go back to music. Then if I click on it, then I'll reduce the volume. Can you see it? Then okay, I'll go back to second one. I'll go to music. If I click on it, I'll reduce the volume for the second one. Can you see it? Mark it. Then I'll go and pick the third one. I'll go to music. I'll click on this one. I'll reduce the volume. Okay, mark it. I'll go to the fourth one. I'll go to music. I'll click on this video. I'll reduce the volume. That's okay. Then the fifth one, I'll click on it. I'll go to music. I'll click on the video and reduce the volume. Then okay. Okay. Then let's go and check. Can you see that you have silenced all the sound. Then you can now add our own sound. We want to add our own music to it. then just come here, go back to your music plus. Then if you want to extract, I have taught us how to extract audio from our previous video, which I did in the photo video. Then this, I'll be adding my music directly. Then just go. You can just come here and pick any audio. Let me see if I can see. Okay. Allah and shit. And just then you can add your own audio to it. Then go and check where it ends here. Then split it, remove this, delete the second aspect. Then come to this sound. After coming to this sound, if you want to reduce the volume of the sound, you can remove it. If you want to fade it, you just go to edit. Then let's fade it out. Let's fade it out. Then if you want to reduce the volume of the sound, then you can come here to reduce the volume of the sound also, if you wish. So you can come here to reduce, but you are not reducing it. Then that's that about that. So in this method, it will teach us how to cut our video, and also how to remove the voice of our video, and how to add a voice to our video, a music to our video. So we'll be stopping here and we'll continue in our next class.